In this video, we are reviewing the Uber Freight app and explaining how it works for both carriers and shippers, as well as whether it's really worth using. Uber Freight is designed to connect carriers with shippers directly through a mobile platform, allowing drivers to search for loads using filters like rate per mile, pickup time, and preferred lanes. One of the biggest advantages is that the app shows full rate details upfront. No need to call, dispatch, or negotiate, and loads can be booked instantly with just one tap. Drivers also benefit from live GPS tracking, facility reviews from other carriers, and fast payment processing, usually within 7 days. Shippers, on the other hand, can post loads, track shipments in real time, and manage everything through a web portal. The app does focus mainly on dry van freight, so availability for flatbeds or reefers may vary depending on your area and current market conditions. Overall, Uber Freight is a solid option for small carriers or fleets who want to simplify logistics, avoid long wait times, minimize paperwork, and get paid faster. This is not a sponsored review, just a helpful breakdown. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.